Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to reset calculator app in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To reset calculator app in Windows 11 computer, click on Start menu. Now click on Settings. In left pane, click on Apps. Now click on Install Apps and here you will find the calculator app and click on the three-dot icon on calculator. Then click on Advanced Options. Now scroll down. You will find here the reset option. If this app still is not working right, reset it. And please note, the app's data will be deleted, and here you will find a button reset. Click on the reset button and click on reset again. The calculator app is resetting right now. Reset has been finished. Hopefully now calculator app on Windows 11 computer will work properly. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.